Accessory maker TwelveSouth has released a version of its SurfacePad case for the iPhone X. SurfacePad is a folio-style leather case that provides front and back protection for the iPhone X, along with 2 card slots in the cover flap. Unlike other cases of folio, the SurfacePad is thin and lightweight, although it will not provide much protection against falls, since it does not cover the top, bottom or side of the phone. You can get it in black, brown or blue for $49.99 directly from TwelveSouth. I've been using SurfacePad on my iPhone X for about a day, and although it's better than other folio covers I've tried in the past, which were unusually bulky, it's far from perfect. The leather is soft and flexible and should patina well over time. The inner lining of the case is a soft, suede-like material, and the 2 card slots are loose enough to make a card go in and out easily, but not so loose that the card falls off on its own. One thing I do like is the built-in support function, which allows you to prop up the iPhone to watch videos on a table. The front cover will also automatically activate the iPhone when you open it, which was not possible with SurfacePad for other iPhone models. Wireless charging still works when the case is in the phone,